Ride in the 2016 Fit. The Fit was engineered to be useful, efficient, and reliable, but its most important attribute is its innate charm and coolness, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, one owner, AM/FM stereo with CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.